행동자야 여러분.
Number two can be given.
And this portion also this will be taken by the member. But
Why you have left the party?
This should be the slogan for the entire state. No?